Hi everyone, it's MJ here, and today we're going to do a little massage and stretch for our feet. So to begin, we're starting off with a ball. I have a massage ball that you can buy inexpensive online, but you can use anything from a tennis ball to a lacrosse ball, something that's round and firm. So the first thing we're going to do is place the ball on the ground. You can do this standing like I am, or you can sit on a chair. And we're going to lift our toes and just apply our pressure in our arch on that ball. And just kind of feel what it feels like. Breathe in nice and deep. Maybe it feels good, maybe it's a little sensitive, but just do as much as it feels good. Take a big deep breath in. Maybe try to roll it down towards the ball of the feet and press in there. See how that feels? Or roll it down towards the heel and apply some pressure there. Now take a moment and just give yourself a nice little massage around the bottom of your foot, in the arches, out the sides, maybe in between the toes, and just see how this feels. You can do this as much or as little as you like. This is going to break up a lot of the stiffness and tightness at the bottoms of your feet. Of course, make sure you switch and do the other side, and you can now move into the stretches. So this is going to loosen it up, which is going to allow you to get deeper into this stretch. So this stretch is called the Thunderbolt pose, and all we're going to do is come down to our hands and knees. We're going to make sure we tuck our toes underneath us. And tucking those toes on the ground, we're gently going to begin to lower ourselves down towards the heels of our feet. Now, if you can, you're going to sit all the way up, nice and upright, and feel the pressure of that stretch on the bottoms of your feet. You're going to hold it here for 5 to 10 deep breaths, or however much feels comfortable. And then you're going to release. Go ahead and straighten those toes, set them down, and sit back to just stretch it the other way. Again, 5 to 10 deep breaths. Come out of it, and feel free to end with another nice little massage.